So what is the cortisol detox? It is kind of retreat that takes 3 days in order to get rid of all your cortisol level in your body. Why? Because cortisol doesn't have any medications that can get rid of this cortisol in your body. And it has been caused by many things, including the busy life, the unhealthy lifestyle, the stress, the work life. And after taking this cortisol level retreat, you should sleep better, feel better, get less addicted to any smoking or coffee or anything else, and also feel more relaxed and energized and happy in your life. It's going to be middle every month, like 3 days full moon, Arabic full moon. And our coaches will be giving you yoga, meditation, healthy lifestyle sessions, how to do transcendental meditation to quiet your mind from any of the busy and the noise in your mind. Also, you'll take cooking classes, how to create the apple vinegar naturally and how to create probiotic recipes in a natural way. Also, your food will be excluding any kind of processed food or sugar or salt or milk or even coffee or smoking, of course. So you will feel the difference within these 3 days with all the healthy lifestyles in the full moon retreat. In this retreat, you will have many types of instructors. One is the yoga instructor with more than 8 years experience, and also a physiotherapist with lots of years of experience who will do you a recovery deep tissue sessions with cupping and needling, and this will have a huge impact on getting rid of your cortisol level and feel your body more relaxed and in balance. Plus the classes sessions that will be given by one of us about how to create your own recipe from vinegar, apple vinegar, and probiotic ingredients. Studies has proven that the deep tissue massage and cupping and needling has a good impact in resolving and dissolving the cortisol level in your body and releasing it, and also healing your muscles and the underneath muscles and increasing the blood flow and circulation, which also heals the joints and the tendons and all your body. Since we are in Saqqara, so you will have a chance to have also horse riding and visit the Saqqara pyramids in this beautiful nature, in this beautiful place called Saqqara Country Club. Beside horse riding, we can also do biking to the Dahshur pyramids and Abu Ir and Abu Sir. Only 1 hour we can be there.